New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
Sporting a bold style all its own, the Ford Flex is a crossover you can't help but notice. And with its progressive design, intelligent technologies, and spacious cabin, the Flex is also a uniquely versatile package. It comes in 3 distinct models, SE, SEL, and the fully loaded Limited. Let the sky in with the available multi-panel Vista roof. It features 4 skylights that cover all 3 rows of seats. That includes an available power fold 3rd row seat, which helps you access more than 83 cubic feet of cargo space with the touch of a button. Under the hood, an available 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 combines direct fuel injection with twin turbocharging for maximum power and amazing efficiency to get you where you're going in time and under budget. Your Flex is smarter than ever with available driver assist technology that alerts, warns, and can even auto-maneuver. You'll love the easy-to-use Sync infotainment system and its LCD touchscreen. And the free Ford Pass app lets you access your Flex with your smartphone. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories and build a Flex that's all yours. The Ford Flex. It's distinctively different.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.